Mustang coupe. We got numbers.
Oh, God.
I'll edit that part out. Or I won't. One or the other.
Okay.
It's very natural.
All right.
This is Matt, and he represents Ram.
Yes.
Now, I think Rams are good-looking trucks.
Mm-hmm.
It's not a Ford 250 like I want, but it's a good truck. It's respectable.
I can tell you why it shouldn't be.
Oh, here we go, guys. I'm going to turn the camera around, and we're going to listen to Matt tell us about this Dodge truck at the Philadelphia Auto Show in 2019. There's no longer an evergreen video now that I did that.
Oh, okay.
But it's okay.
That's all right.
All right, here we go.
Okay, so this is the redesigned 2019. This is a redesigned 2019 Power Wagon. So a couple of the things that they've done differently is it's a 6.4 Hemi V8, but it is no longer a 6-speed transmission. It is an 8-speed transmission.
8-speed?
Yes, makes it a little more fuel efficient.
All right.
Now, let's walk around and talk about the body style changes.
Okay.
A couple things that are different. The truck is still high-strength steel, but the things that are aluminum on it are the tailgate and the hood.
The tailgate's aluminum?
It is.
And the hood?
Yes. Hood is aluminum because it makes it just a little bit lighter.
Yep.
Usually the heaviest part of the truck.
Yeah.
So now it is aluminum. Everything else high-strength steel. We have changed the lights. It looks kind of like a Rebel now.
Yeah, it's pretty mean looking.
Yeah, I like it a lot. There's also sensors around the front. We actually have 5 cameras on this truck now. So there's a camera right here, which is awesome. Sensors around the bumper there. There are 2 cameras in the mirrors, a camera on the back of the cab for cargo, and then a camera on the tailgate. It gives us that 360-degree surround view. Almost looks like there's a drone on top of your...
How did they do that?
They stitch the pictures together from the sensors and the cameras, and then...
And it looks like it's...
And it looks like there's a drone on top of your car.
I did that. I saw the commercial.
It made me get out of the car like, what? I was like, I know, that's crazy.
That is pretty cool.
Yes. So, some other things that we've done is we have added the Ram boxes and updated them a bit. So I'm going to show you these Ram boxes, which are real cool. They are weather lockable storage bins. You can lock them with your key fob now.
Oh, you lock with your key fob?
Yep.
Everybody's getting high tech, man.
There is a 115-volt outlet on the driver's side Ram box.
Oh man, that is awesome. Let me see. Let me get that. There, you see that, guys? There it is.
Mm-hmm. There are lights in here. Now they were on the sides. Now they're on the side and the top. You can turn them on just like that.
Very nice.
And then there are also drains in the bottoms of them. So you lift this part up.
It's
if I can
really
get
dark. It's really dark.
It is.
Oh, I got it. There it is.
So they're the drains.
Nice.
So a couple of uses that you can do with this. You can keep your weapons in here. Some people use their rifles and like they'll put them in here, store them. You can also put groceries in here. My favorite idea though is they fill them up with ice and they stuff some drinks in them and they tailgate.
Oh, let's do it. Let's tailgate.
And just in case a child gets stuck, you can.
They've thought of everything.
Yes.
If you somehow get stuck in this thing, you can get out. Wow, that's small. Well, it's not small, but yeah, it would have to be a small child.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, it is.
So now going towards, you know what? Let's talk about the interior, since we're here. Now, still has all the storage that you'd ever need. You got storage under the seats. So
hang on, I'm gonna go light on you. Hang on
okay. So there's actually storage here. There's storage under the seats.
Yeah.
So once you lift them up, you got that. This is also gives you a flat load floor. So.
Oh, that's cool.
Yep, happens on both sides. Nice. And then there's a light right under the seat as well.
Yeah.
So you might need a little bit, just in case. Now, the other thing that's really cool is we have storage in the floor.
Get out of here.
So, once you do that, you've got this. People also tend to use these for beverages as well. And what they'll do is they'll fill them up with ice or put water in them.
Right.
And then when they're done, the bin comes out.
Oh, nice.
You dump
so
it.
You can dump it.
Yep.
Very nice.
You put it back. So that's cool. Our Power Wagon.
Hang on a second. I got a hard focus problem.
Oh, gotcha.
I gotta give you a little light. I'll be right back.
Okay. So if you'll follow me to the front of the cab. Now this truck has 17 speakers, Harman Kardon sound system, which is awesome.
It must be. You can't turn it on though because of copyright stuff. I'd love to hear it.
I won't do that. But what I will say is when I do have customers come up, I'll have the music playing.
Right.
What makes
nice seats too.
Yes. What makes it the quietest interior in its class is the active noise cancellation and acoustic glass. So I can
Oh, it's got acoustic glass?
Mm-hmm.
Man, trucks are getting high end, man.
I know. You can blare music, and then once the doors close, you can't hear a thing.
Wow.
And it works the same way on the outside. Like, you can't hear construction and stuff like that, barely.
Yeah, that's awesome.
So, also has that awesome 12-inch display screen.
Yeah,
we finally put it in our heavy duties. So
that's like the Tesla a little bit, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah, the Tesla.
Big old
Not that I'm not
screen.
calling you guys copycatters or anything.
No, it's okay.
All right.
This one also does split screen, which is really cool.
Yeah.
Now, this is also standard, which is a bench seat in our
Right.
Power Wagons.
The seats are really high end too, man.
They are very nice.
I don't know if they're coming through on camera, but they're really
It's
cushy.
all
plush
leather.
seats,
Yeah, everything
and
is.
they're what are they? They're bucket seats, like racing seats. Keep you stuck in the truck.
Yes. So there's a charging port here. Change
USB?
for there. No, this is actually a 3-prong plug.
A 3-prong plug, okay.
Yeah.
A 3-prong, all right.
Yep.
Like a regular plug, like a 110?
Mm-hmm.
Okay.
And then that's the actual seat. Now we
Right.
do have the USB ports that are going to
Okay,
be
you do
right
have 'em?
here.
There you go.
Yep.
There you go, guys. There's
There's like
your USB
4,
ports.
and then there's another 3-prong plug,
Yeah, it's really
and then there's 4 more in the back.
Wow.
So you should never have a problem charging anything
Yeah.
in this truck.
All right, you sold it. I like it now.
Oh yeah.
I admit it.
I'm not even done yet.
Go ahead.
Okay, so another thing that I really like, I can't not mention this because we got a lot of flack for not having the tailgate from GM. Like they have that whole staircase
Yeah, I
type
know.
situation.
It's like an escalator.
So we actually announced yesterday, coming out in the spring, we're gonna have a multi-tailgate, and it actually opens the normal way, so it goes down like that.
Right.
It also opens this
Out.
way, and then it has a bumper step that you can use to
Jeez.
access the bed more easily.
Are Cowboys starting to get like weak? Is that what's happening? What's up with all this,
Honestly,
man? We used
I
to
don't
jump
know.
up in the back of trucks, you know?
I know. I miss those days. But you know, people are driving trucks now, and
Yeah.
and we're trying to have them match people's lives
Right.
because technology changes, people's lives change. Some
Yeah, and
people live
trucks
in
are becoming
cities.
like the new SUV. I mean, people
They
are
really
digging
are.
trucks.
It's like so many people drive trucks now, and they're not
They're not
as
using,
bad on.
they're not
on-
using them hardcore. I've got friends that got
No.
brand new trucks, and they're afraid to put anything in the back of the truck because they don't want to scratch the paint.
But you know what? I encourage it. Ram encourages you to go out and get the truck messy or whatever, because it's, to me personally, interior-wise, it's super easy to clean.
Yeah.
It's so easy to keep together. But we want you to go out and do this. We don't add luxury so that you don't use the truck for what
Exactly.
it's for. We make it luxurious, but we also make it durable.
Right.
So it will last you. It serves more than one purpose.
Yeah, I'm going to back up and give a full view of this truck.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you very much for that tour.
No problem.
And there it is, guys. The what is this? This is called a Power Wagon?
Yep.
This is a Ram Power Wagon, guys. And you got a pretty good view of it. It's at the Philadelphia Car Show right now. What time's the show? What's the last day of the show?
Last day of the show is going to be on Sunday.
Sunday is the last day of the show. So if you want to get out here and see this truck in person, I recommend coming out to the Philadelphia Convention Center and saying hi to Eric, and he'll take you through. Thank you. All right, I messed it up. It's Matt. Sorry, another senior moment, and I'll put both clips on. But that's
Totally
Matt.
fine.
Thank you, Matt.
Anytime.
I meant it sincerely, even though I called you Eric.
It's okay.
All right, thanks for forgiving me. All right, there's Matt, and there is the Ram Power Wagon. All right, there's one more thing, because it's a Mustang-related thing. Tell them what it is.
Yeah, the Mustang Barn
Mustang Barn.
is up here near Lansdale, Pennsylvania. You can talk to Dan Nolan.
Dan Nolan.
At 215-768-9160. All they do is Mustangs, restoration of Mustangs, here in Montgomery County, Pennsylvania, and a great group of guys.
There you go. See, I support all Mustang restorers because it's a thing that's...
Who is the old guy in that video?
What are you talking about, me? It's important that we keep hands-on with these cars. There's something intrinsic that you learn by working on a car. I know we all run around with our thumbs now on phones, but if you're working with your son or your daughter and restoring a car, those are memories that you will value. I just have to say that.
Restoration.